I'm going to talk about some restaurants in Anyang. There are a lot of restaurants in Anyang, but these are only where I know and good places where I visited before. First place is CDI Friday at Lotte 평촌브랜치. I went there with my family before and the steak was very good and the restaurant is very clean too. It is a little bit expensive but it is good to visit sometime. Second is Outback in 평촌. This is also a steak family restaurant and the steak is good. This restaurant is very clean too and service is very nice. Most family restaurants are quite expensive, however, I think it's worth it to visit. Last restaurant is Yubin. It is a buffet and we can eat a few pieces of steak every 10 minutes. There are lots of delicious kinds of food that we can get fish and meat. Dish and all things are very clean and food is good. However, we need to pay too much to go into the restaurant and we can get too full from eating because of high calories of food to eat like potatoes, pizza, chicken, etc. These are 3 restaurants I suggest to go. Thank you for watching.